Hello, everyone. Welcome to Good Morning Parents Family Voting Plan. I'm Dr. Michelle Gant, the owner and founder of Good Morning Parents. And today, here with the Good Morning Parents team, our goal is to help you and to encourage you to create young voters, get everyone out there and vote. And how are we going to do that? Using our 6 pillars. Team, let's hold up our 6 pillars to get, let's say together: communication, love, education, family fun, financial literacy, and discipline. That's the 6 pillars. Those are the 6 areas that's going to help us to get the kids out there excited, to get the young teens out there excited, get them involved for the future. So let's learn what activities, what things can we do together as a family to get people out there and vote, to get those kids involved in the family tradition. Let's start with communication. Megan?
Create a safe space for family members to express their opinions.
Love. Discuss how voting is a way to show you care for your community.
Be the voice that changes the world.
Education. Express the importance of voting and researching candidates through unbiased factual sources.
Fun. Plan a day around voting. Make it an outing and celebrate after.
When we think about financial literacy and we think about family fun, we spoke about how it impacts you personally, professionally, the community. And Sarah's going to tell us when we do all these things together, when we create the plans, when we show our love, communicate, create posters, transport together, all these things that we can do as a family, how does it impact you? How does it impact the years of community? Not just that one day, but our future. But what matters, we make it a habit. And Sarah's going to tell us about
discipline. Set a voting plan. Mark important dates and make it a family commitment to vote.
Awesome. So together, with all these things that we have together, these are some activities that can help you get you started, get the mind rolling to family together to create a family voting plan. Share your plans with us. Tell us how it is when you're taking the kids. Snap some pictures. Get us involved. Let's create some excitement around voting, especially with New York City. Our voting is coming up for the mayoral election. Take those kids with you. Have some fun with it. Have a game night. Have a potluck. Get in, let's transport everyone together to get out there and vote. Let's make it a family tradition. Together, we can create happier, healthier, and financially thriving families. So let's get out there and vote. See you soon.